The iconic Road to Heaven. In the day, the sun makes it shine bright, and people say at night, under the moon, it glows like silver. This is the Great White Run. Welcome back to this video. This is the third day of our journey. If you saw our previous video, you must have seen we were in Vadodara and then boarded a train to Bhuj. Today morning we reached the Bhuj railway station and now we are heading towards the Run of Kutch. There are several homestays in Run of Kutch area, but if you booked your room at the renowned Tent City, you will be getting the bus facility. We booked our homestay in the Dhorjo region, which is around 75 kilometers, for which we hired a cab from the Bhuj railway station, and it will take us around 1 hour 10 minutes to reach there. We took a quick break where the Tropic of Cancer passes from. And here's a quick tip that have your breakfast near Bhuj, because after that it's mostly empty highway till the Run of Kutch and you might not find any restaurants until you reach your hotel or homestay. The Run of Kutch is one of the largest salt deserts in the world, spans over 7,500 square kilometers. During the monsoon, it's covered with water, but once the rains dry up, it transforms into an endless white salt desert. From November to February, the run comes alive with the Run Utsav, a 3-month-long cultural festival in Dhordo, offering folk music, dance, handicrafts, camel rides, and many more adventure activities. We have just reached our homestay in Dhordo and it's absolutely beautiful. We have booked a Bonga style room, that's a traditional circular mud hut with thatched roofs designed to stay cool even in desert heat. The interiors are colorful with hand painted designs that reflect local Kutchi art. The Bonga was also quite impressive as it was quite big and offered 2 double beds. Today's plan is exciting. First, the Great White Run, where Sarike Falls was shot. Then the iconic Road to Heaven, followed by stunning views at Kaladungar. We'll wrap up at the Craft Bazaar for some local shopping. So let's start with the Great White Run, which is around 10 kilometers and 15 minutes from our homestay. That's the Tent City and we're taking a right turn to the Great White Run. The Run Utsav only comes alive from the month of November till March, so it's recommended that you visit the Kutch during this time because you can also enjoy the Run Utsav and many beautiful sightseeings like the Great White Run, Road to Heaven, Kaladungar and Dholavira. At night, this place completely lights up and comes alive with a lot of shops, which is also called the Sakhi Craft Bazaar. To enter the Great White Run, you'll need a permit, which you can book online or get on the spot. You'll park your vehicle at the entry and then take a bus. And don't forget to carry a valid ID. There are 2 buses to reach the White Desert. After the first bus service, you could opt for the bus or a camel ride. As you leave the bus, you see a huge white desert shining under the sun. At first, it looks like snow, but it's not. It's salt, pure white salt stretching as far as your eyes can see. The ground crunches under your feet. During the day, the sun makes it shine bright, and people say at night, under the moon, it glows like silver. This is the Great White Run. By the time we returned to our homestay, it was afternoon time and it was time for lunch. So we had our lunch and headed towards the road to heaven. We are finally here, a place that never stays the same. During monsoon, it turns into a shallow sea, and in winter, it becomes a massive land of salt, stretching endlessly. And right in the middle of all of it lies something truly special, the iconic Road to Heaven. If we continue straight, we will reach the Dholavira village. However, we are rushing towards Kala Dongar because our stay at Ranafgarh is only for one day. Kaladungar from Road to Heaven is around 1 hour, so let's hope we reach there before it gets too dark. This is the magnetic point. The road actually here slopes down, but the car is moving in the reverse direction as if it's going uphill. We have reached Kala Dongar, standing at about 458 meters, the highest point in Kutch district. But it's already dark, so try to reach here before sunset because once it gets dark, the views disappear. However, the orange gradient over the white run looks surreal. From here, you can also spot the stunning white run view in the daytime. Nights in the run of Kutch get really chilly, so keep that in mind. With Kaludangar done, we are now heading towards the vibrant craft bazaar. It's right on the way back to our hotel.
లింబుజి లింబు జాతిలు మనవాళి ఆతియని కాయం మోజే దరియా ఆతియని కాయం మోజే దరియా
The Sakhi Craft Bazaar, held as part of the festival, highlights the talents of the local artisans who present intricate embroidery, bandhani, and leatherwork. These age old crafts, passed down from generations, are a vital part of the region's cultural heritage. After exploring the craft bazaar, our day came to an end. We had a cozy dinner back at our homestay. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the cinematic visuals and see you in the next one.